I'm getting hungry. There ain't shit in. Let me see what time it is.
Order for Kurt? Are you fish something?
I had no food at home. I was hungry, so I had to get something.
We're closing.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yo, what's going on, man? Yo, what's up? What's with the mat? Yo! Yo, that's my food! Don't make me fucking chase you! I'll find you! There you are! Stop running! Help me, please. No. Long live the king. Dude!
You're fucking fast. Why'd you steal my fucking food, dude?
Man, why'd you have to rip that damn bag up? I'm so fucking hungry and thirsty.
It was my food.
Man, fuck you.
God. You know, it was only an Uncrustable in there, right?
Man, I don't care. But I'll tell you what. I don't feel bad about stealing your damn Uncrustable. But I got a candy bar that we can split. What do you say?
I say, why the fuck did you steal my food if you had a candy bar this whole time?
I'm more hungry for food than a candy bar, man. You want to
sure. We'll fucking split it. We'll fucking split it,
Okay.
but that doesn't make no goddamn sense.
Enjoy your candy bar, man.
I think you got more than me.
I split it down the middle, dude. Just eat it.